Hi, this is Eric. I'm going to do the same driving test in my Kia EV6 as I did in my Model 3 recently, and that's a 75 mile per hour round trip loop, meaning I drive both directions at 75 miles per hour GPS or GNSS speed, and I will record the efficiency and then also record how many kilowatt hours it takes to charge. So I'm starting out with 36 PSI in my Michelin X Ice tires, and will drive. They're 18-inch wheels. I'm gonna commence the drive, and I will update when I get near finished. And it is 28 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about -2°C, and the climate control will be mostly off, but if the windows start fogging up, I'll have to turn it on a little bit. With my Model 3, I had it on total of maybe 5 minutes out of the whole test. So, okay, I'll check back in a little bit. All right, I just arrived back with 89.6 miles, 2.6 miles per kilowatt hour, 1 hour, 24 minutes driving time. And tire pressures are all about 36, which is I think the recommended by the factory. Michelin X Ice snow tires again. And then if I go over to the main screen and look at the EV range just for the fun of it, shows battery 54%. Estimated range left is 3 miles. And that's about all. So overall, the car drove pretty nice. The efficiency is a little less than the Tesla, of course, because it's a little, bigger vehicle. And also the snow tires probably don't help here. In my other test, I showed the snow tires don't change the efficiency much, but that's a lower speed test that's more equivalent to EPA. So I'll have to test again with the regular all-season tires at the 75 mile per hour speed. So see if the snow tires might make a larger difference at the higher speeds. I'll go ahead and charge and do an update with the charging numbers in a second. Getting 2.6 miles per kilowatt hour means that the 100% battery range would be close to 200 miles with 75 kilowatt hours usable. So not great, not horrible, but that's at 75 miles per hour. So that's a lot less than EPA. The Model 3 was 208, but my Model 3 has some battery degradation that I'm factoring in as well. So it was just a little more efficient. The wall kilowatt hours from the Kia is 39, so that amounts to being about 2.3 miles per kilowatt hour, which is pretty low. I think these snow tires are doing worse at higher speeds. They were fine at EPA, or at the slower, EPA-like speeds, averaging 48 miles per hour. But with this higher speed test, they do significantly worse. Overall, though, just fairly efficient vehicle, still much better than any gas vehicle for energy usage. So it's been a great car.